Welcome back, guys, to the best cooking channel on YouTube. Today we are going to do egg fried rice, and I repeat, egg fried rice. We need some three ingredients that we need right now. So we have some garlic, some red onion, and some carrot. So right now, as the oil starts flaring, we're going to add some. We're going to start with some onions. Then we'll add some carrots. So some 3 eggs in a bowl, add 3 pinches of salt. And let me tell you this, for every egg, that's a pinch of salt. So that method can help you not to overput a lot of salt in the egg. So put some curry powder. So then we'll whisk this. I had forgotten to add some garlic. We are going to add this. So guys, it's about that time that we try out the rice. Of course, we always use a spoon. Very nice, simple rice. So there's a reason as to why they add egg to this. Egg makes the dish, what can I call it? It gives it a taste. I think it's called umami. Yeah, because I taste that. I taste some strange taste that is nice. As always, guys, thanks for watching. That was egg fried rice, a Ugandan take on it. Many of you may dislike it, but I love you all. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and